Hello, I'm going to continue with this putt-putt example. I'm sorry the last video was so long. This one should be much shorter. I'm just going to show you how to use your TI calculator to find the basic statistics given this table that we came up with in the last video. So let me go ahead and pull up the calculator, and I have pre-entered some of the data to save a little time. If you go to Stat and then select Edit, you can type in the information you need under L1 and L2, and let me just show you from this table over here what we've done. So the golf scores, the thing you're trying to find the average of, goes in L1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the frequency, the number of times that particular score occurred, goes in L2, 12, 27, 41, and so forth. So always your X value, or the thing you're trying to find statistics for, goes in L1, and your frequencies or your relative frequencies, either one of those, would go in L2. Alright, so now that the data is in there, if you want to pause the video, take a second to type it in yourself. You can go to Stat again and go over to Calculate, and we've done this before, one variable stats. Select Enter. This time you need to tell it that you're using list 1 and list 2. So if you just did the average of these X's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it looks like the average would be 4, which is not very interesting. We want to take into account how many people got each of those scores. So I need to put comma second L2 to let the calculator know to take into account the frequencies. For example, more people got 3s than got 6s. They're not all equal. So then if we hit Enter, we see that the average is 3.92, the arithmetic mean. Just like we did by hand, 3.92, that matches up. We had a total of 670 strokes. That's good. We'll get to some of these standard deviation things later in the course. The sample size 171, and of course the min and max are obvious. We haven't talked about quartiles yet, but we'll get to that. However, you do see the median is 4. That's what we had over here. Alright, so we were able to duplicate at least the median and the mean. As far as the mode goes, your calculator doesn't do that, but that's pretty simple to look at. If you just go back to your original data, just pick the largest frequency, which was 41, and the mode was 3. Thank you for watching, and let me remind you to put some comments in the YouTube comment section. Please be kind and helpful and funny if possible, and I'm hoping that some of these videos will go viral and I can be an internet sensation, so you can help me do that. Thank you.